all of you out there that say, I can't make any money with my IRA because I only got $6,000 in it. I guarantee you, any of y'all can find an investor out there that needs some short-term money and would be more than happy to give you, they need money for 30 days. I need $6,000 for 30 days. You write them a check for the $6,000, tell them you want 20%, 15%, whatever it is, and they give it to you. Now, if you need $6,000 and you don't have $6,000, and you go to the bank is going to charge you an origination fee. They're going to charge you all these fees to do the loan. It's going to take forever to do it. You know, maybe they only get their 8.5% right now or 9%, whatever they're getting right now. Well, in the end, by the time you add those other fees into it for the $6,000 loan, you right there at the same money. But for me, if I needed that money like that, I'd be more than happy to pay the 20% on it, 15% on it, and use it for the 30 days and get paid back.
Less hassle.
My brother does a lot of stuff. He does his stuff through a solo 401k, but my brother does a lot of stuff through that 401k, loaning people money. He'll loan them money to build a whole house, but he gives them 4 months to build the house. You got 4 months, that's it.
Or else.
Or he's going to take over construction of the house.
Whoa.
He's going to walk in and take over the deal.
So you have to be quick.
And that's in his contract. So his contract gives them, this is how much time you got to use the stuff. If not, I have the ability to come in and take over the deal. Not wipe them out where they don't get paid, but take over the deal, get the house sold, get whatever's done.
And then, okay.
And then he takes more of the profits.
Yeah.
When he has to do that. But if you was going to go out and you got $6,000 in your Roth and you got some money you can give out, you just find somebody that wants to borrow it, let them borrow it, but you want to have control of that asset so that they don't, a lot of people will screw you, so you don't want to do that.